So hello everyone, my name is Kamlesh Dulsainder and my today's video topic is a non-technical topic, that is dogs are as man's best friend. So let's talk about why the dogs are man's best friend and why dogs are live with the man's happily. So here are let me tell you some reasons as dogs are our best friend. So first is dogs are very loyal for their owner. They form a very strong emotion bond with their owner. So hormones like dopamine, serotonin rise during positive interaction between dog and human. Next, these hormones contribute to the feeling of happiness, pleasure, and attachment and loyalty toward the human companions. So, man can learn so many things from dogs. For example, loyalty. Because dog is very loyal, anyone can rely on dog. So dog can provide very good companionship. So if dog are stay with someone, that person cannot be feel loneliness. uh, with dog everyone can feel comfortable, and dog can feel the human emotions. So they are able to understand someone's feeling, and they loves their owner unconditionally, and they dogs don't judge, and their behavior is not depend on their external factor. uh, mm, Many dogs have an ability to sense when there is upset or stress. Mm, they offer emotional support through their presence and comforting behavior. Next, dogs don't speak our language. They communicate effectively through their body language and their expressions. Mm, uh, with dog, anyone can play without any problem. Um, Dogs are a very protective animal, and they provide the security of their owner. Mm. In this world, so many animal, but dog are man's best friend because they are very kind, loyal, and understanding than other animal. Mm, they are stay with man in any situation. Then they are trying to help with full dedication in emergency time to protect humans, and food, love, and place for living. These are the things that man are give to the dog, and loyalty, companionship are give the dogs to the man. That's why mans and dogs have good friend. This interdependence has to make strong friendship between man and dogs. So many studies shows the positive impact of having dog on human health. So human and dogs can play with each other, and doing some activity like going to for walk, then spending time to each other, etc. Then dogs are very smart animal. This also make them to the best one as a pet. So dogs have short term memory, and short term memory are very good, to dog, and never, they are never going to leave man. So they are loving they are loving to anyone selflessly and unconditionally. Now mans and dogs are stay with each other from many times because mans fulfill the dog's needs and the dogs fulfill by the man. Next, many dog owner feel the good when their dog are present with him. Next, dogs can improve physical and mental health to anyone. Mm, uh, Dogs are ready to do anything for protecting to their owner. So these are some reasons for mans and dogs are best friend, and this is all about dogs as a man's best friend. Thank you so much.